Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nordiana binti Abdul Ghani. My number match is 2020616696. And my friend that is Fatin Abila binti Azmi and her number matric is 2020826646. So today we will talk about our topic, or we will present our topic, that is disease management. The content that included in our slide is company background, practical training activities, problem in field or company, recommendation to overcome the listed problem, limitation during industrial training, and conclusion. Background of company. The Faculty of Plantation and Agrotechnology was established in 2010 in University Technology Mara UiTM. The mission of the faculty is to play the vital role of producing well-trained professionals in all areas of plantation and agriculture-related industries at national and international levels. The Diploma in Planting Industry Management (DPIM) program was the flagship when it was established in 1967 at Jalan Osman Campus, Petaling Jaya, Selangor, and it continues the legacy of offering the well-established DPIM program until today in Perlis, Pahang, Sabah, Sarawak, and Malacca campus. The faculty is highly committed in disseminating, imparting, and fostering intellectual development and research to meet the changing needs of the plantation and agriculture sectors. With this regard, numerous and undergraduate and postgraduate programs have been offered in accordance with the government's intention to produce professionals and entrepreneurs who are knowledgeable.
Disease management at pineapple farm. There are many ways to manage the disease at pineapple farm. One of the ways to manage the disease are use spray pump to spray the herbicide towards the disease that appear on the pineapple tree. Students should use the herbicide very suitable with the disease so that the disease can be removed. The second way is remove and destroy the infected fruits. Removing the pineapple will cause a very large loss, but in this case, if the farmer nor plantation student not remove and destroy the fruits, the disease will spread very fast. The third way is store the seed material on mother plants during dry weather. Store the seed during dry weather can avoid from the forming of the disease on it. Next, students must avoid wounding the fruit during harvest. If the fruit get wound, the disease will easily attach on the fruit. If the disease already attached on the fruit cannot be safe anymore and we need to destroy it fast. Another way to manage the disease is plant the pineapple in raised beds. When students plant the pineapple seed on raised beds, the incidence of the disease will reduce. This is because the soil is drained and suitable for pineapple tree to grow healthily.
The problem that we face in the field is, first, the disease spread very fast. Second, the distance between each pineapple tree is small. It will have the effect that the disease will be easy to spread to other pineapples due to the planting distance being too close. Third, the problems that we face in the field is we did not know the correct value of herbicide. This is because we were only exposed to the type of herbicide but not exposed to the value to be used for each herbicide. Fourth is we did not know the correct method to manage the disease. Last but not least, the soil are vulnerable to erosion from heavy rain. As a result, the herbicide sprayed on the plants will not be fully effective. The recommendation to overcome the listed problem is, first, we have to make sure the value and the type of herbicide is correct. Second is we have to measure the distance before planting the pineapple. Third is we can reduce erosion by doing mulch mating. Fourth is we have to learn the correct methods to manage the disease. Last but not least, we have to choose the precise fertilizer for new varieties.
Limitation during industrial training. The first limitation that students had during industrial training is lack of equipment for planting new pineapple tree seeds. When the equipment is not enough for every student, no pineapple tree seed cannot be planted. The result is the pineapple tree that had been removed before cannot be replaced with the new pineapple tree. The second limitation is student has no precise herbicide to remove the precise disease. During industrial training, students cannot remove the disease because they use type of herbicide that does not suitable with the disease. It results the disease stay at the pineapple in long term until the pineapple cannot be harvested at all. During industrial training, the weather is often rainy. Bad weather is one of the limitations that students had in pineapple farm. Rain cannot be controlled by students, but students still can predict when the rain will fall. Even the student can predict when the rain will fall, they still cannot predict when the rain will stop and continue again. After the rain stops, students thought that it will stop until tomorrow. Then they apply the herbicide to the pineapple tree. Suddenly, the rain falls again and the herbicide performance has been reduced. The next limitation is lack of time to manage disease at a very big pineapple farm. To manage disease at a very big farm, we need more students to finish their work. The time that has been given to every student only 8 hours. 8 hours are not enough to spray the herbicide towards all pineapple tree. Because of that, some pineapple tree cannot be saved. The last limitation is poor access road in the pineapple farm. Access road is very important for every farm in the world. Without access road, farmer nor plantation student cannot do their work in the farm. As example, without access road in pineapple farm, the student will easily get bruised on their legs or their arms. Even they wear clothes that very suitable with their work. This is because the leaves of the pineapple tree have so many thorns. For the conclusion, every pineapple farm will definitely suffer from disease attacks. The impacts after the attack are some of pineapple cannot be harvested at all and their tree had to be removed from the farm. If farmers not overcome this type of problem earlier, the disease will be spread through the pineapple farm faster than ever, and the result will be the farmer or the manager of the farm will face severe loss because they cannot sell or even use the pineapple anymore. In conclusion, every farmer nor student plantation must learn and practice the disease management in the pineapple farm so that they can save the pineapple from the disease attack. Thank you.